The next example is of butene. It comprises of 4 carbon atoms. Molecular formula is C4H8. The first step is to show the carbon skeleton. We will show 4 carbon atoms in one straight line. Here we have shown the double bond between carbon atoms 1 and 2. We have numbered the carbon atoms 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we shall distribute the 8 hydrogen. The first carbon has already formed a double bond here. So it already has 4 electrons from here, this side. So it needs another 4 electrons to complete its octet. So it will form one single bond with one hydrogen and one more single bond with this hydrogen. So all the 4 valencies of carbon are now satisfied. Coming to the carbon atom number 2, it has formed a double bond here and a single bond on this side. So 6 electrons are there. It needs 2 more, so it will form only one single bond with one hydrogen. Coming to third carbon, it is going to form single bond with 2 hydrogen. One bond it has already formed here with one carbon atom, single bond, and one more single bond it has formed with this carbon. So again, all 4 valencies of this carbon are satisfied. Coming to the last one, it has already formed a single bond here, and remaining 3 valencies here which are free, it will form a single bond with 3 hydrogen. So in all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 hydrogen we have distributed. Since the double bond is between carbon atoms number 1 and 2, and out of these 2 numbers we have to select the smaller one, that is 1. Hence this will be 1-butene or simply butene. We can even write the formula in this form: CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH2 and single bond CH3. Again the rules: since there are 4 carbon atoms, it is a derivative of the parent alkane butane. So we will use the root word but, and since there is a double bond, it is a unsaturated hydrocarbon, that is alkene, and double bond, to indicate it we will use the suffix -ene. Hence the name of the compound will be butene. Another option is to show a double bond between the last 2 carbon atoms. Numbering will be from right side: 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now you will distribute the hydrogens accordingly. The first carbon will form 2 single bonds with hydrogen. Double bond is already present here. So octet is established here with 8 electrons. Coming to this carbon, here we have 4 electrons plus 2, that is 6, 7 and 8. So only one hydrogen will be required. Third carbon, it is forming a single bond with this carbon, another single bond with this carbon. So it needs 2 more. 2 more valencies are free. So it will form a bond with 2 hydrogen, single bond. And the last carbon will form 3 single bonds with 3 hydrogen. It is already forming here with this carbon. So 2, 4, 6 and 8 electrons. This also will be called as 1-butene or butene. We can write it as CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH double bond CH2. The third way is that the carbon atoms number 2 and 3, the double bond is present. In this case, you can do the numbering from any of the sides 1, 2, 3 and 4, or if you are doing it from this side 1, 2, 3 and 4, the double bond is always going to be present between carbon atoms 2 and 3. And out of these, the smaller number is 2. So this will be called as 2-butene. The hydrogen atoms have been distributed here. The first carbon, it is forming only one single bond here with this carbon, we can see. So 3 valencies are still free, and so it will form 3 single bonds with 3 hydrogen. Coming to carbon atom number 2, 2 electrons. Here it is having 1 pair of electron, and 2 pairs of electrons from here. So total 6 needs only 1 pair. So it will form 1 single bond with hydrogen. Same is the case with this carbon also. It will form 1 single bond with 1 hydrogen here. And the last one, that is this carbon, only 1 valency is satisfied up till now by forming a single bond with this carbon. So 3 are still free, and so it will form 3 single bonds with 3 hydrogen. So the name of this compound will be 2-butene, because the double bond is present between carbon atoms 2 and 3. Out of the 2 numbers, we have to select the smaller number, that is 2. We will write 2. It will become a prefix, the one which comes before. So first you will write down this 2, give a small dash, and then the name of the compound, that is butene. CH3, CH, double bond CH, and single bond CH3. So we can write it in this form also. So these are the possible structures for butene. We can even write the name of this compound, that is 2-butene, as but-2-ene. This is the root word that we get from the parent alkane. Then you will separate this word with a small horizontal line. Then you will write the number that we get from here. That is, a double bond is present between carbon atoms number 2 and 3. Out of these 2, the smaller number is 2. So we write 2 here. Again a small horizontal line, and then you will write down the suffix, that is ene, because it is an alkene due to presence of a double bond. So we can even write the name of this compound as but-2-ene.